How wide should this be? The clearance required depends on the voltage. If the trace is external or internal, whether the board has a solder mask or not. Given those factors, how far apart should traces be? Fortunately, there's a standard for that. I'm using this online calculator to get the spacing, and of course I will link to it in the description. This will be an external layer with a solder mask. Let's say I'm running 250 volts for my circuit. That means I need at least 21 mils between my trace and anything else. Jumping into Flux, this is a board I've been working on for a future video, and I need to make sure the clearance between these traces and the copper fill is enough. The last thing we want is an arc, so I'll just select the Rules tab and add a new one. I'll name this Clearance and set the selection criteria to Trace. To add more elements, I just need a comma, and now I can add the pads as well. Next, I just need to add the keep out rule. It can be applied to traces, pads, vias, and much more. Finally, I'll just type in 21 mils and Flux will change accordingly. You probably didn't see much of a change though, because the default is around 19 mils. Watch what happens when I set it to 40 mils, for example. You can definitely see a difference now. This is how we can ensure there is enough clearance between elements on a PCB. My name is Cornelius Robinson. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content just like this.